Howdy folks. I think today I'll show you how to make a 3D logo, and you can basically use any picture, put it on a plane and just cut out the logo and then make a mesh out of it. And I'll show you how to do that. It's really pretty easy. I'll go into the top view and we'll add a mesh plane. Alright, it's white. That's okay. We're going to add a picture to it. You can add a picture, text, anything you want to by going to our materials here, and then we'll go to new, and you'll see we've got a material up there. We need to choose a picture to copy it from. So we go to base color and select image texture here, and it goes black because there is actually no image texture on there. So we go to open, and let's see, let's choose a picture here. Let's take this one. Okay, basically we've got that. Let's go back into our top view, and if you're wondering about this picture, it's from a band I used to like in the late 70s called Blue Oyster Cult. A lot of people thought it was some kind of devil symbol or satanic symbol, but actually it's the sign of Saturn, and they've just added a circle in the middle of it. Okay, let's go into edit mode, and we're going to choose our knife tool, and basically we're just going to trace around this area, and when we're done tracing, we just hit our enter key and it makes a cut for us. So let's go to this one, left click to stop it there. Okay, let's go ahead and do our circle, and sometimes it likes to snap, and it likes to snap next to the other parts sometimes. So, but if you hit your shift key, it won't snap. Okay, let's make this one here. This is not going to be perfect. It's just going to be close. You can spend as much time as you want on this. Alright, let's do the hook thing here. And we're basically just tracing around this, making our little cuts, and the closer you get these cuts together, the smoother it'll look when you're done, but we're not going to worry about that right now. Just giving you a basic idea how to do this, or how I usually do it. There's probably lots of other different ways to do it, but this is the way I always do it. Okay, we've got all these. Let's go into our select box, and as you can see, we've got the faces selected. We can just delete these faces. Let's go to the delete key, and we're going to delete the faces. That's done. Now let's thicken it up a little bit by using a modifier. You can actually extrude it out if you want to, but I go into object mode, select solidify, and the thickness here, let's pull it up, and as you notice, it's got a lot of this stuff from the picture we were using that it's kind of stretched out. So if we go back into the materials mode, we can go up here and hit this minus, and it'll get rid of our materials. And basically that's done. Now if you want to go ahead and edit it further, you can go back to your solidify and apply that, and then when you go to edit mode, you'll be able to edit all these different parts here. And maybe let's try to edit it by selecting all the faces on top, and we'll just do a bevel on it. See what happens by hitting Control B and pulling it out a bit. And then using our mouse wheel, we can add more edges there. And we can go right click and shade it smooth. And it looks a bit smoother. Let's go to our data properties and hit auto smooth here. And turn it up a bit. And there we go. We've got a 3D mesh here. And it's just one mesh, so you don't have to worry about joining them or editing them up or anything. Thank you for watching.